everyone, Jotono Klomka. I am a Robitra Jamatia, BSc Chairman Amorpur, RD Blog, Gumuti Tripura. It is my pleasure to share you that our blog and 3 other Panchayat have been honored with for recognition under the National Panchayat Award 2024. So I therefore thankful to the Ministry of Panchayat Raj for these precious honors, and also give my heartfelt honors to the Honorable President of India at Vigyan Bhavan on 11 December 2024. Thank you, Jotono Khulumkha.